Someone asked me to speak about intention without ego. Somebody left a note. So I was weaving that in a little bit, planting that seed that I just did. See, this is where thought actually is powerful. We often talk about thought because it's very connected to suffering here, right? But there's another realm where thought is actually brilliance, it's wisdom, it's healing. It creates music and works of art, and it's a different realm of how that intelligence functions. And we can communicate really into the vastness. That's what Ho'oponopono is. Truly. It's communicating into the vastness. Because when you plant seeds of intention, the bottom line is there's no grasping in it. There's no expectation in it. There's no one who really does it. It can only be done from awareness. That's why I planted that seed, because we're in awareness here pretty richly. So as Zeli was saying when we were in Molokai, this is the time to plant your seeds for what you want for yourself. And let them, just throw them into the fertile soil of this environment here. And then forget about them. Let the universe do the rest. Not that you don't till the soil and all that stuff. So if you have desires or wishes for yourself or whatever it is, not with grasping, not with, expectation, but why not give yourself some loving, caring intentions for your life? That's what Metta practices. May I be happy. May I be free of suffering. Beautiful. It's a beautiful thing to do. So to ask. It's hard, it's funny. Why is it so hard for us to ask? Because we're so rugged individualists, is that it? The do-it-yourself culture? I don't know. We're afraid we don't deserve it. That's not true. You do deserve it. See, if you think you don't, ask yourself, well, maybe I do. Do a counter exam. Do a counter comment. Maybe I do deserve to be happy. Maybe I do deserve to be healthy. Maybe I do deserve to receive and give love and contribute and be fulfilled, no matter what. May you be fulfilled, no matter what. Yeah. I'm just planting little seeds into the garden.